Hey, thanks for coming to the channel. This is our family vehicle, the 2022 Volkswagen Atlas. This is a 7-passenger unit, so it has a second row bench seat. And what I'm going to be doing today is checking out this product I got from 3D. They do the 3D mats, you can see right there. Awesome mats, by the way. And I'm going to be installing just child seat protector because see right here, I've been using a towel all this time for years, but towels can slide. They also still can cause dents. You can't really get a towel up here, or you can, but it looks a little bit ugly. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall this and see how much better it is. We'll be right back. All right, like I said, I've been using a towel to do everything, so I saw this in 3D mats and I'm gonna try it out. It comes out easy. So it has a little strap for the headrest to hold back. That's cool. Good material. It's gonna be water resistant or moisture resistant. Also has different shapes here, I guess for different grips, so it will slide. And this thing is nice. So on the bottom, this is a big deal. It has a little lip, so that way it will pick up or hold spills. That's good, because that's what kids do, are messy. And it's got little pocket straps, so it looks pretty simple. Kind of goes like that with the headrest. So let's go ahead and install it. Also, because it has some thickness, it'll prevent like a lot of the impressions or dings or stretches, especially with leather or pleather material versus cloth. So let me get this out. Move this out the way. Okay, dirty ass towel. So that's one thing, you just pick up crap or the towel. But the towel did work. Good thing too, didn't have too many impressions with this material. But sometimes with certain car seats and stuff, especially you're supposed to ratchet it super tight, it causes those impressions. So these seats be pretty good, but that's what this over. So because depending on the width, this might be a little too wide. My daughter sits here, so it's not too bad, but I think I want to actually cut it out. Get it. Generally, you're not going to use the center seat belt. I mean, you're going to use the sides to load, like in the picture. So with that, all right. So this is more of a bucket seat side. I just want to show the individual, so you can see that if it's in the bucket seat, kind of centered. You can put the seatbelt on. Well, usually don't use a seatbelt, baby, but you can. And then you have still this cool lip area. See how you can fall down, and that's the reason why you use a little strap here to hold that up. But pretty cool. I'm just gonna trim it up a little bit for the center, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and cut this out. The razor blade is pretty sharp to do that. Very easy to cut this foam out. This one I cut out too, just to give more room. I actually used the seatbelt to clamp down the center seat. You can also use the ISOFIX on this one, but I decided to use seatbelt. And I kind of scooted it over here to the right, so this chair kind of folds forward for passenger ingress or egress. So I just wanted not to have too much overlap, so we're moving it over here. So now I'll tighten this up and show you the final result. Alrighty, so definitely you got some coverage here. Joanna's still small, so this won't bother her, but it could for some people, I guess. I made this cutout for the seatbelt so Joanna could do it, my daughter can do it. cool little strap things here. I still got area for when stuff falls down. Nice little lip area or protected area, and also it won't cause any impressions into the fabric or the material, indentation or anything, because this is fairly thick, very firm. And also because of this polyurethane or polymer material, I should say, it keeps it from sliding. You can see that. So it's all pluses versus a towel. A towel makes it kind of slick, and when you put things, the towel shifts and it looks a little bit prettier, like on purpose. So yeah, it's cool. So if you guys are interested in this 3D product, I'll put the link up here and also in the description. But if you're interested in the mats, you could get 10 bucks off. It doesn't matter if you have a Volkswagen, just any of your vehicles. These are awesome mats. Look at that coverage. And so now I'm really covered for this kid. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.